If you're running out of options of what to make for iftar, you can try making these crispy Chinese chicken cutlets. Now, I know that you guys will say that Chinese people don't make these cutlets, but these are called Chinese cutlets because of the ingredients used in this recipe. So, I fried some boiled shredded chicken in some garlic and then I added all the chopped vegetables. You can change the vegetables or you can add some cabbage along with these. Then I added the spices, which are all the basic spices used in all the Chinese cooking. Black pepper, white pepper, Chinese salt. Chinese salt is optional, but I love it, so I'm gonna add it. Salt, dark soy sauce, white vinegar, and then I added the chili garlic sauce. This is the brand that I use. You can use whatever chili garlic sauce that's available. Then I added some plain all-purpose flour. Please note that all the cooking done here is done on high heat. You don't need to cook the vegetables through because they will become like really mushy. You need to keep them a bit crunchy, and the flour as well, you just need to cook it for like 2-3 minutes until you can see that the mixture is becoming like a dough and you can shape the cutlets. So once everything is done and you have shaped the cutlets, you can just coat them in eggs and then the panko breadcrumbs. If you don't want to use eggs, you can make a cornflour slurry and then you can coat the cutlets in that and then the breadcrumbs. And you can use any other breadcrumbs if you don't have panko breadcrumbs. You can shallow fry them, deep fry them, or air fry them, or even make them in your oven. You will just need to oil spray them before you bake them or air fry them. And that's it. Enjoy.